Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 22 Shore Street in Anstruther. It's an amazing, Historic Scotland actually describes it as a Grade C listed Edwardian ground floor shop premises. This is a bit of history. It is also prime frontline real estate. And it's right across from the harbour and on the Fife Coastal Path as well. Let me take you on this tour for this property. So, flip the camera around as we go through, and we'll just cross the road here as we go across. This is it right here, so currently utilised as a hairdressers, and as I said, front line, great area to the front here, potential for seating. I notice next door's got it as well, so there is potential for seating because it's right back set from the pavement itself. Prime window at the front, you've got your doorway as well as you go in, possibly signage there, you can get into here, and then as you go in the front door here, you can see right across here. Now, if you always dreamed of running your own business and having your own shop, this is the one for you. These don't come up very often, and when they come up, it's usually typically so somebody is actually retiring completely, and this is what's happening here. So you can easily get a reception area here if you want. You can take that away. I understand previously, many years ago, this was a hardware shop. But you could continue to use it as it is. If you're in the back street, potentially, and you want to come forward to front line and get more traffic passing your shop, then this could be perfect for you. If you're outside the area and you've always dreamed about having your own shop and just in an idyllic village like this, then this could be the one for you as well. So a real good size, electric power, there's no gas in here, so it's all electric. So as you say, I would be tempted to put a counter in there and have something potentially in here if you want to use it for a different purpose. Storage under the stairs there, going up to the upstairs, which is the apartment upstairs. And then you've got off the back there, you've got your WC. So you've got the WC in the sink off the back. And then also you've got your area for coffee, tea, microwave, fridge, the rest of that stuff in a cupboard, and also a bit of storage as well. Then you've also got your sink, for you've got water and sewage in here, sewage supply in here, with the toilet and the WC. So real good size, good size floor space and area. Very, very deceptive in terms of that. So if this is the one for you, let's just recap. As I said, Historic Scotland describe it in their details as a Grade C listed Edwardian ground floor shop. 18th century actually. They said it's 18th century. This is a bit of history you're purchasing, not just a normal run-of-the-mill commercial property. You could be an investor looking for this opportunity and rent it to someone else. You could be looking to come nearer to the front and actually have your business running from the front rather than one of the back areas of Anstruther. You could also be outside the area, or you could be living in this area and think, I've always wanted to run my own shop. And maybe my own hairdressers again, maybe something different that you'd get planning permission for change of use for. This could be perfect for you. This doesn't come up very often, as I said before. This is only generally what happens with these frontline properties is because somebody is actually retiring. So once in a blue moon this will come up. Golden opportunity, very, very rare. As I said, if you need more details, click on the link above or below. This is obviously always in small business rates territory as well. So if you're a small business, you'll probably more than likely qualify for small business rates relief. So that's another burden taken off your hands. So prime, as I said, contact us on 01333 421 774, or you could message me direct on this post as well, but you can get further details on the link above or below in here for a wee bit of photographs and a bit more description in terms of measurements. Okay, and until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.